What is up, everybody? So I got a little package here today. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up and let's see what we got for this unboxing from RoboKai. I highly recommend RoboKai. They have all your paints and Gundam needs, tools, everything. Please check them out at robokai.com. I probably get about 90% of my paints from them. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That's dope. Oh, let's see what we got here. Pride. Ooh, look at that. Never used it before. I'm gonna try it. The king. Got some gold. So a lot of people don't know there's two different. They got flat clear and then they got the premium. Then we got the white. So basically, this is just for the bases. Thank you guys. Have a great day. And make sure you go to RoboKai.